Do you want to know how you can reset your Betfair password? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your Betfair password. Go ahead and search for Betfair on your browser and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. If you have forgotten your password and have tried many times but it doesn't work, you can see there is a forgot your username/password option. Go ahead and click on this password link. And the next step is to write down your username or your email address in the first box. After you've written that down, go ahead and go to this section which is called date of birth. Write down your date of birth and make sure that this is the date of birth which you entered before you registered to Betfair. Then after you write down your username or email address, write your date of birth and click check. If your account matches and your date of birth matches, you can now reset your password quite easily. A reset mail will be sent to your email with which you registered to Betfair, so go ahead and click on the reset link and then you can change your password. I hope this video about how you can change your Betfair password or reset it was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.